Wisdom shines in talks with Sri Ramana Maharshi. My comments bring this profound wisdom into your experience. Use YouTube's closed captions to read along.
So, what is real? Ramana answers, what is real is always real. It is what is eternal, what does not come and go, what is not temporary. What is this within you that is always real? What is real everywhere? It is all that is, without limits, at all places. What is this within you? What is real exists always, at all times. If it had a beginning or end, if it had a cause, it is only temporary, impermanent. What is this that always exists within you? What is real is only one. There are no parts, no dualities, no triads, no complex multiplicities, just one reality. It's not one seeing another. It's not one person seeing another person, not you and some other thing, not a higher self seeing a lower self, just the self, the one self. What is this one reality within you right now? To this list, I would add one more. Is it conscious? Is it aware? What is real is awareness itself, whether it has an object or not. Awareness is always aware. When I talked about this with a friend, she immediately added, aware of itself. I agree, not just aware, but aware of itself. What knows within you? What is aware? Is it the senses? The senses are known by the mind. Is it the mind? Even the mind is known by the awareness that you are, that is present even when the mind is quiet. The mind is known. Who knows the mind? Many times I have investigated this body. Does it come and go, or is it without limit? Is it always? Is it the knower? With these questions as a guide, it is easier for me to see that the body is not the self. The body is not who I am. It is not me. I know the body, but the body isn't me. These can all be used in your discriminative inquiry. Discrimination is key to getting started with inquiry. It is not the deep inquiry, but discrimination is a practice leading to the direct experience of being the consciousness that you are. It's a vital step in the process. Ramana will talk about it more in the next talk.
These videos help bring Ramana Maharshi's teachings into your direct experience. Subscribe now to help you deepen your understanding and practice to know the self. Just click the subscribe button.